Jack the Scrapper sporting a new facial hairstyle. This week I'm picking up a fridge. Oh, how I love refrigerators. I'm actually gonna show you how I put it on my truck if I don't have my trailer with me. I'm trying to cut back on the gas and I don't have that many pickups today, so I'm not pulling a trailer. I'm just pulling a truck. With my Ford engine. That's how you do it. Yep. So that's how you put a fridge on the back of a truck. At least that's how I do it. I always make sure I got the heavy duty ratchet straps because anything less is a little bit weak. The little ones break. The heavy duty ones seem to last just a little bit longer, and if you catch them on sale, they're the same price as the other stuff. Whew. This is my camera. I got my new camera back. I got my old camera back. And I have no idea what to talk about. I did not prepare to talk about Jack the Scrapper. So, now what? Well, I guess that's it. Well, that was a short episode. I guess I'm gonna have to go film more. Who wants to see me go through people's trash to pick up scrap metal?